In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tracking in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up tracking categories so you can slice and dice your financial data by things like department, region, project, or any other dimension that matters to your business. Tracking is all about clarity. It lets you see performance beyond your chart of accounts, making reports far more insightful without adding a bunch of new accounts. Start by signing into your Xero organization. From the main dashboard, just go to the top navigation and click on Accounting. If you don't see the options we're about to use, check that you have the right permissions, or ask your advisor or administrator to grant access. Under the Accounting menu, choose Accounting Settings. This area controls key financial settings for your organization, and it's where tracking lives. Inside Accounting Settings, look for Tracking Categories. This is the home for creating and managing the labels you'll apply to transactions. Think of a tracking category as a question you want to answer in your reports, like which department or which region, and the options as the possible answers, such as sales, marketing, or north, south. Planning that structure up front will help keep your reporting clean and consistent. Next, click Add Tracking Category. You'll be creating a single category at a time. Give your category a clear, meaningful name. Aim for something concise and unambiguous. Singular nouns often work well, like department, region, or project. Avoid adding dates or temporary wording to the name. You want a label that will make sense for future transactions and across your team. Now, enter your category options. These are the standardized choices people will pick when coding invoices, bills, or expenses. For a department category, you might add sales, marketing, operations, and finance. For a region category, you might add north, south, east, and west. Keep options distinct and avoid overlap to prevent miscoding. If your list is long, consider whether some items can be grouped at a higher level to keep selection quick and accurate. Consistency matters. Use the same capitalization and naming style for every option. When you're satisfied, click Save. You should now see your tracking category and its options listed. That means it's ready to be applied wherever Xero supports tracking selection. A quick recap: go to Accounting, open Accounting Settings, head into Tracking Categories, add a tracking category, name it clearly, enter your options, and save. That's it. With tracking set up, your reports can break down revenue and costs by the dimensions that matter most, giving you sharper insights and better decisions.